All right, guys, so I'm Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV and Marine, and I want to introduce to you this Brinkley Model 285 Air Model Z. This thing is sweet. You're not going to believe what is packed into this Brinkley. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so on the front of this Brinkley, you're going to notice this nice big box. One thing that Brinkley wants to do is give you something that's very functional and looks good. So this is going to house your battery. It's also going to house your propane tanks, keeping them all out of the weather. You have access points into this guy, so we can go in through the top, and you have doors on both sides. So opening the doors same way, you got these nice big hinges. You can see the batteries back there behind the propane tanks. You get dual 30s on this guy. Pretty sweet. Guys, so one thing you're going to notice about this storage space is how big it is, right? So you get huge doors into the front pass-through storage. One thing you're going to notice about Brinkley is they have a waterproof floor that give you a pass-through, and that's because you've got your cable hookups in here, you've got a light switch, you've got an outside shower in here, and look, you've got all of your switches easy to access. Now, one thing Brinkley does is you see you've got a 12-volt power switch and you have a full battery disconnect switch. It's nice because Brinkley allows you to run the 12-volt items like your jacks and your awnings, your slides and lights and stuff, and cuts the power to everything else. Or you can do a full disconnect and cut everything off, saving that battery when it's in storage mode. You also get a solar switch for your solar. Now, Brinkley offers 380 watts of solar. That's massive on a camper this size. So that's something to think about too. But everything in a Brinkley, really nice. Now let's check out the rest of it. So on the camping side of your Brinkley, one thing you're really going to notice on Brinkley's is how slick the windows are. They do that on purpose, right? So you get this square edge window without frame, so a frameless squared window. One thing nice about these windows is dual pane, obviously, and you're able to open them 6 inches versus the standard 3 on most models. That's a big deal when you want to get more air in the camper, right? So also you'll notice these awnings. You get 2 awnings on your camping side. Both are 8.5 feet awnings on individual switches. Run one, run the other. Something that Brinkley does that not everybody does as well, so that's really nice. Now let's check out some more. Guys, so one thing you're going to notice when you're on the off-door side of your pass-through storage is you get a P4 Nautilus system. Now, having a Nautilus system in a camper really makes it really nice and easy to use. Your city water hookups over here, you're going to winterize from here. Everything's done out here. There's no climbing under a cabinet to find a valve to turn or anything like that. It's all done right here. Now, one thing Brinkley does for you that not anybody does that I know of is they give you a 30-foot retractable water hose. Your water hose is already in there for you, ready to go. You don't have to worry about rolling it up or where do I put it or how do I have to get it out. It's already there for you, easy, ready to use for you when you're ready. Now, one thing that Brinkley also does is if you look up here, you'll see the gate valves. That's right. Brinkley gives you an electronic gate valve. We don't have to worry about pulling the gate valve underneath the camper, getting on our hands and knees to reach it. It's all done right here. You hook up your hose, you push a button, the valve opens, it dumps your tank for you. That's super nice. Of course, we do have pulls up underneath the camper, so if one of these was to fail, you're not stuck with your tank full. There is access underneath with manual pulls as well. So don't think that's something that's going to strand you if it fails. Don't expect it to, though, guys. Really nice. Now let's check out some more. All right, guys, so just before we go inside and check out the rest of the cool stuff that we have to see inside, right? Look at the back of this camper real quick. So one thing that Brinkley gives you on this camper is a Furrion backup camera with a 7-inch monitor. If anybody's looked at backup cameras, you know what kind of deal that is. These cameras are amazing. You're going to enjoy being able to see the vehicles behind you traveling down the road at 70 miles an hour. Not every camera can do that. The Furrion can. Also, you're going to get a Furrion tankless hot water heater, right? Women, you want to take those 30-minute showers, you can with this guy, all right? The tankless hot water heater is going to keep that hot water going no matter how long a shower you're in. That's one thing everybody wants. Brinkley gives it to you. You're also going to get a 300-pound tongue weight hitch, all right, with a 4-way flat. So if we need to extend lights out, we can. Something not every camper is going to give you. Brinkley also gives you a 300-pound tongue weight hitch. You can look at this beefy ladder going up the back too. Everybody needs to get on the roof of their camper. Brinkley gives you a massive ladder to get up there, so getting up there and back down feels easy. All right, guys, so coming inside your Brinkley, right inside the door, you're going to see that all your controls are easily accessed from right inside the door. Now, one thing that you're going to notice about Brinkley's is you want to know something about part of the Brinkley, they give you QR codes to scan. It'll bring up exactly on what to do on how to work this stuff. But it's really easy. Touch button, all right. A couple lights on this guy. But one thing you're going to notice is everything that's on here is app controllable. So if you want to download an app and work this stuff via Bluetooth from your phone, you can, which is really nice as well. Running your slides in and out, running your awnings in and out, all from your touch of your phone. Now, one thing Brinkley really does really nice is they give you actual light switches in the camper. These the ceiling lights have a dimmer. You're also going to see that in your bedroom. To be able to dim your bedroom lights and the ceiling lights in here, that's something really sweet that Brinkley does for you. Also, look at this. We got soft close hinges on all of our cabinets, standard on all Brinkleys. Now let's check out the rest of the camper. All right, guys, so coming right around into your living room part of the camper, you're going to see you got a nice bar, right, to put your keys down, maybe make a coffee bar out of it, give you a plug. You got a light underneath that does high and low. One thing really nice about Brinkley that not everybody knows about is you get real wood drawers with real dovetailing on the drawers. What camper gives you dovetailed drawers? Well, Brinkley thinks of that. They give you quality drawers in this camper. Now, in your pantry, you're going to see a automatic light. That's because the light is done by a magnetic strip versus, just a motion-sensed light. This light's going to come on every single time. One thing that Brinkley does, they give you adjustable shelving in your pantry. They also give you an outlet, so charging anything out of sight, out of mind stuff you want to plug up, you can do in your pantry as well. Also, other side of this wall is the shower, so they're going to give you access to the plumbing behind your shower as well. It's really nice. If something ever goes wrong or you need to work on that shower, you have access to that plumbing. It's really something they think about, is access to stuff like that. Makes it really nice. Now, coming into the living room, you're going to see really nice recliners. They do have the heat in the recliners. Something people really want nowadays is a heated seat. Brinkley gives you that. Really nice material on these recliners. Something that's going to last a long time. You get the storage with the USB chargers inside your drawer. You also have USB chargers on the seat outside. You get a lever instead of that hard to pull lever on the recliners. You get an easy pull side lever. They are wall away, so you want to lay on back, watch the game. You're right across from the TV. Easy to watch that game from these recliners. Now, one thing that's really nice is switches, right? We talked about it. You get light switches for the top. You also get light switches for the lights above the recliners. You're going to get blackout shades on your windows. You're going to have a switch for the lights over the dinette. You're going to see saddleback seats that match the recliners. They make everything flow really nice for you. Guess what? We have another switch for the lights under the dinette. Stuff that people don't think about that Brinkley does, guys. All right, guys. So one thing really cool about this dinette table is we can remove the chairs, and this is an ottoman down here underneath your desk. And of course, it has a built-in strap for transit. But this guy will move over here, table goes down, and it will make a bed for you. So if you need to sleep extra guests, you have a bed to do so. Now, this desk is really cool. So the desk actually has a built-in drawer in it, divided drawer for you, keeping everything organized for you going down the road. Real wood bottom, dovetailed drawer, guys. All right, you're going to see that in every drawer in this Brinkley. And guess what? Light switches, right? We've got light switches everywhere. Something Brinkley thinks about. Don't want every light on? You don't have to have it on in a Brinkley. One thing you're going to get in your kitchen is a 12-volt refrigerator. Now, this refrigerator is really nice. We talked on that 380 watts of solar. It's going to keep this refrigerator running going down the road, boondock camping. You're going to be able to run this refrigerator. Something really nice to have is a 12-volt fridge. And it's side by side, so you get a lot of storage out of it. One thing Brinkley's really going to give you is, we've already showed you a pantry drawer, but you also get another one over here on the other side of your refrigerator. Big drawers, drawers going down, drawers up on top, just drawers everywhere in this camper. Now, you talk about countertops. These countertops are super nice. You're not going to see countertops like this in just any camper. You've got to come check these countertops out. These are real. All right, come check them out. You're going to love these countertops. Now, look how clean this space is on top of your island. All right, and your countertop here, you get a lot of storage space, worktop space in this camper. All of your plugs and lights are up high, so you don't have anything on the walls making any clutter. Look, it looks really nice in here, really clean. This is something you're going to enjoy. Having a sink in the island makes every kitchen space in an RV really function a lot better. You get a really nice pull down sprayer. You get the drying rack, farmhouse style sink. You get a 3-burner stovetop with oven in this guy. Built-in blue lights. Everybody's got to have the decorative lights. We give it to you in the Brinkley. Full-size residential microwave. In a camper this size, you get a full-size residential microwave. Like I said, this camper is ready to camp. No matter what you're doing, this camper is ready for you. One thing you're going to see on both sides coming down this aisle in the kitchen is how many cabinets you have, right? Everybody wants to know where the trash can's going. Brinkley gives you that. They give you the ability to store your trash bags up on top. You got a paper towel holder. Everything's ready to go and thought about in this Brinkley. You're just going to really enjoy all this space. So guys, I mentioned before we go to bedroom, bathroom, I mentioned that the recliners were right across from the TV. Well, the TV's on a lift, all right? So if you want to raise this up, you can. If you don't want it up, you can have it down and get that window back. But you're going to get a really nice TV, smart TV, right across from your recliners. Be able to watch that game or that movie at night with the kids. Right underneath it, we get an electric fireplace. This is a true heater, guys. It's going to be able to heat with that furnace, keep everything running really nice. Really nice to have electric heat on those chilly days. Run this, won't have to run that propane. Come on, let's see the bathroom. All right, guys, so you're going to see a really thought out, well-designed bathroom on this 285. So one thing you're going to notice when you come into the bathroom is you're going to notice these countertops that were in the kitchen living room area continue on into the bathroom. You get these seamless, nice water tight countertops in here. You get a pretty good size sink for this size bathroom. You get lights, LED lights around the vanity mirror. All right, you get LEDs on top, LED strip in your shower. You're going to really like that. Think about taking a nice shower in a camper like this. You get full body spray, front, top, and one spray in your shower. You're going to get a porcelain foot flush toilet. You're going to really like that Dometic 300 series toilet. That's the top of the line toilet in these campers. You're going to really enjoy that. One thing you're going to see is this storage. So one thing really cool about this storage, and we'll see in the bedroom, is actually you can pass through to your bedroom in this storage. So talk about loading towels. We can load them from the bedroom and pull them from the bathroom. Makes loading this storage space up really nice. We'll see the rest of that in the bedroom. Guys, coming back down the hallway, one thing I did want to mention on this bathroom door, this pocket door, is Brinkley takes it a little bit step nicer when they give you a locking door, right? So the door's going to pull close off for you. When you're ready to go, it's going to lock in for you. So you don't going down the road, you don't have to worry about doing a strap or making sure the strap's closed, because this door is going to be locked in. It won't come out for you going down the road. It's little things that make a big difference. All right, guys, so in the bedroom, you're going to see a really well thought out, functional bedroom. You get a full-size queen bed, all right? On both sides of your bed, you're going to have cubbies. In the cubbies, you're going to have plugs and switches. The switches do the lights. You're going to have USB for phone charging, whether you're plugged up or running on 12 volt. You're going to see hanging wardrobes on both sides. You've got a bigger closet over here. I'll show you that in just a second. You got plug-ins down low on both sides of your bed. You have motion-sensed lights underneath your bed as well, ready to get up and go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. Don't worry about a light. It'll come on for you on the floor as soon as you get up. Now, one thing that makes this bedroom really sweet is underneath the bed. So underneath the bed in this Brinkley, you're going to see struts that holds the bed up for you, really strong struts, which makes it nice. You're going to see a little hidden storage on both sides. But what makes it really cool is we have a lockable safe underneath here, guys. You're going to be able to store all your valuables down here. You ain't got to worry about someone stealing them, because you can lock this guy up as you leave. Want to keep anything away from the kids, lock it up, right? So this is a really smart and easy safe to have in this camper. Now let's look at the other side of this bedroom real quick. So on this front wall of your bedroom, you're going to see a big wardrobe. All right, this wardrobe is that wardrobe that passes through to the bathroom. So like I said, you want to load towels in here, you can. One thing really cool about this space though, guys, is if you want a washer dryer combo, you can put that washer dryer combo in here. These shelves will remove. You got the plug-ins underneath there, and the water will come up through the bottom. You can hook up a washer dryer combo in this guy. You're going to have 3 drawers going down all the way. We're talking about full pull drawers, guys. You can get a lot of clothes in these drawers. Now, folded clothes is nice, but where do we put the dirty clothes? Well, Brinkley thought about that in the 285. You get a pull-out hamper, right? We're ready to go take our clothes to the laundromat. We just pull the bag and go. Clothes are already tied up, ready to go for you. And I know you're seeing it. You can't miss it. Yes, the bedroom has a fireplace as well. So not one, but 2 electric fireplaces in this 285 Brinkley, which is right below your Insignia Smart TV. Ties the bedroom up real nice, guys. Guys, of course, if you want more information on this 285 Model Z, give us a call, shoot us a text, or visit us online, cookeville.com. We can't wait to make you part of the family.